Hey guys, we're back. Sorry I missed a few days. We're here with Harry. We're here in Australia. Hunter's over there. This is Ovid. It is really, really wet. It rained. We didn't expect it, but should be a good session. We're gonna ride as much as we can wherever it's not wet. So,
on my street sled.
okay, Hunter's about to hit the rail on his street slayer.
This is Harry's scooter.
That is a big scooter.
That's really big. It's like a skateboard,
Okay, get it.
aircraft carrier. All right.
Oh man, that was nice. Goes Harry. A nice air. It seems like since it's raining, we're just gonna have longest drift contest. I think we should just pick a line over here and just try and go.
It's gonna be wrecked by
Who cares? We'll get new ones. All right, Hunter Schuetz, new to the drifting circuit here in Sydney, Australia.
New to the drifting circuit? You call 8 years new? I've been scooter drifting since the beginning of time. Harry thinks he's a veteran. You think you're a veteran at scooter drifting? He's not. Just because he's ginger doesn't give him anything.
Serious?
Okay. I'm gonna show you how to slip, dip, and slide on a scooter. What's a vlog?
Is that the vlog? Are you guys vlogging?
Okay, so I'm gonna perform what I like to call the Shaka drift.
Okay.
Oh,
It's mastered by few, and the few that have mastered it blow minds daily. Check it.
This is number 9.
So what most people don't realize in Shaka drifting, you have to hold on the edge of the grips for maximum audacity whilst in the slide. So if you want to see me perform one, go ahead and watch.
Heels.
What?
Look at that. I'm about to drift. It's for Fast 8, whatever it's called.
We're gonna put in there.
Here we go.
Okay, drift right here.
Oh!
Back up!
Oh, this is scary. Man, if you fall, it's just... I'm gonna try to get Okay.
Oh! Woo! Hunter Schuetz Pro Skater 3.
Project 12.
Oh no! Oh!
Here we go.
Ooh! Ooh! Street
This is
cred.
hard. This is really, really hard. You try it.
Here's 9.
Okay, here goes Harry.
Pass it down. Is everyone okay? You alright?
Oh man, that was
You
crazy.
didn't even make it to the grip.
You went just straight here and fell over.
I'm too heavy for this.
I got shinned by the deck.
Oh no!
Yeah, I already apologized for the lack of clips today, but it is way too wet. Like every single ramp has water, water. Harry's over there, water. Yeah, but we'll be back tomorrow. We'll come back here in the morning and then we'll film some more clips on this awesome skate park. It's got a mini bowl over there, then it has a half pipe, long ledges here. Then it has some A-frames and some other banks. So yeah, we'll be back tomorrow, film more videos. I vote session the sushi bowl. So I'm gonna set the camera on the side over there, and then we're gonna get some clips in the sushi bowl. Starting now. Now we're gonna get some clips out of this bank.
It's really humid.
Yeah, it's humid, and I'm wearing a jacket. You're not lucky. Okay, I'm gonna set the camera down again. Let's go.
Okay.
Good trick.
Harry on the ground again. Think you can pull up the cone?
Yeah.
Get it. Woo!
Harry, let's jump the stairs.
We're feeling pretty street.
These stairs.
We're feeling pretty street, so I want to see you jump the stairs.
Alright, wait, I'll do someone else.
All right. Harry's got a surprise for us. Ready, Harry? Firecracker. Hold this. There comes the one-handed sailor. Almost. I don't know if you guys have heard, but there's a thing called a slush plant. Can you explain what a slush plant is?
Let me show you.
Snake! 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 You snaked him. Alright, we're here at the mini ramp. Mini bowl. Gonna get some clips. You got it, and then I'll go. This guy keeps going. And going. And going. Oh, almost got it. Okay, there we go. That actually worked. 50-50 grinded that thing. All
I
right.
realized I haven't talked at all the whole time.
Yeah, I've
Oh,
been
actually,
talking.
I talked about my drifting.
Yeah, it's good. All right, so we're gonna end the video here today. Every time I talk, I like touch my nose. All right, we're gonna end the video. Okay, we're gonna end the video here today. And if you guys want to see the rest of the session, watch either my Instagram, Hunter's Instagram, or Harry's Instagram. I'll put them there, and we'll make a cool Insta video, and you'll see that now if you go on Instagram. We'll come back here tomorrow, hopefully, and film some more stuff when it's not raining. So until then, see you guys later.